It's ADELINE Atlas, and now we're setting up your freebie delivery system inside Kajabi. First, what is a freebie? A freebie is something valuable you give away for free in exchange for someone's name and email. It could be a guide, a checklist, a workbook, a free mini course, anything that introduces people to your brand. Here's how to deliver it automatically. Step 1. Create a free product or set up a thank you page. Option 1. Build a simple product called Free Instagram Scripts or whatever your freebie is. Upload your free file or video. Set the product price to $0 option R2. Instead of building a product, just create a thank you page with a download button. Step 2. Set up a form. In the form settings, set the action. After they submit the form, either O. Automatically send them the freebie product access, OO, or redirect them to the thank you page where they can download the freebie. Step 3. Optionally, send a follow-up email. Inside the form or automation settings, send them a welcome email with the freebie link just in case. Now your freebie is automated. You don't have to manually email it every time someone signs up.